In this video, I'm going to show how to create a Linux virtual machine in the VirtualBox. First, click New, give a name, CentOS 8. This is Linux and it's 64-bit. This is the location where it's going to save. So we select the default location. Click Next. The memory is 1 gig, is okay. Click Next. We keep the default. And it's going to be the VirtualBox image. Click OK. That is dynamic allocation is OK. Click Next. Here is how big this virtual machine hard drive. We give 10 gig. Click Create. OK. This empty virtual machine was created. Right now it's power off, but before we doing anything, go to Setting, select System. Make sure you select the pointer device tablet. Previously, I tried use the default to install, but the mouse pointer somehow is not working. So I search on the web, find it out. Use this USB tablet is going to overcome that problem. So click OK. And then we need to find out where is our installation file. Download CentOS ISO file. So go to Storage. We add another optical device and choose Disk. Here you can click this Add, find out your ISO file, most likely which is your in the download folder. So add this one in here. So you can click this one to find here. This is your original disk. That is ISO file. It's just assume it's a DVD drive. So put that into the DVD drive. So we install from here. Choose. And then we have this DVD. So we click OK. Right now we can power it up. To click this Start. We are going to Shift I to select Install CentOS Linux 8.0. Hit Enter. Right now machine is booted up. Read the DVD file. Okay. This is your mouse pointer. Its cursor is, you see this one is black. That means you are in the virtual machine. If the mouse pointer is white outside of your virtual machine, that is your host mouse pointer. You can use this right control key to toggle your mouse pointer. This is the mouse device. Here we can continue to select English. Click Continue. And then the system, you need to find where is your system installed. This is a 10 gig which we created. The hard drive in this virtual machine is 10 gig, so make check mark here and then click Done. So we can install into that 10 gig. What kind of software we are going to, so you can install source. This is the one we are looking for. Software selection. The default is the server GUI. Let's select the workstation. The server we are going to install the package later on. At this moment we select workstation. Click Done. Begin to install. Right now it began to install in the background. At this moment we can set up the root password. Click root password. For easy to remember, I'm going to call password as password. Password and password. And click Done. Press Done again to use the password. Okay, click Done. And also we need to create a user. I'm going to create myself as a normal user. The login name is fsum. So in your case, probably it's your first initial and the last name. And give a password. I recommended use the same password as password. W-O-R-D and PASS-WORD. This is for easy to remember. Since right now we have a normal user as yourself, and also we have the root, we can install any package as an administrator. So click done, click again. The installation is going on the background. Since it's going to take a while, so I'm pausing this recording at this moment, waiting for installation finished. Okay, installation finished, and we click reboot. It looks like before we are doing this, we need to unmount our disk. Go to Device, Optical Drive, and remove the disk from virtual drive. And then we reboot, reset. Okay, license information. So we accept our license. Click yes, I accept it. Click done. We can use root, PASSWORD, password, sign in. Okay, finally get in. Here the activity is English, so we can set up next. English is okay. Next, type English, next, privacy, next. Escape and start use CentOS. Okay, we do not need help. So let's see, here is not has internet, so we can connect internet. Okay, I'm stopped at here. At this moment we finished the installation. Thank you very much. See you next time.